Hi children, all of you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, all of you. Yeah, all of you on your videos, Nana. On your videos, Ritika, Manisha, Shrutik, Harika, Yashashvi, Sadhya, Nematullah Beg. All of you on your videos. Sit properly, all of you. Sit properly. On your videos. Hansik, Harika, Yashashvi, Ganta Shashank, Ishwar, Nematullah Beg. On your videos and all of you sit properly, Nana. Yeah, very good afternoon to everyone. I think, see children, first worksheet, most of the children completed and they wrote exam also. So collect your second worksheet also. So pay the fees and collect your second worksheet. So yesterday too we are giving worksheets. So 10 children are they collected their worksheet. So you also come to the school, collect your worksheet. Okay? Satvik, P. Satvik. What about you? You did not take worksheet. Why, boy? And mobile also not lifting. After this class, once you call me, Nana. I talk to you. Okay? Okay. Okay, all of you, open your GK book, Nana. GK book. We completed 4 chapters. Yes? States and capitals. Know your national flag, mother tongue, and do you know these 4 chapters we are completed. So today I explain pomp and show. Pomp and show. So give suitable answers. So here given the some sentences, questions, and here given the answers also. Which answer is suitable for that question? You write. First one is, what is that first one? So I will write only answer. So question is there in your book. So now I am writing answer. So you copy the answer now. Okay? Snake boat is associated with the harvest festival of which state? So here given the answers. What are that? Dasara. And West Bengal. And Christmas. Third one is Christmas. Kerala. Gandhi Jayanti. Deepavali. Holi. Muslims. Gurupura. So these are the answers given in the box. So and that side given the questions. Aruhi, sit properly. Aruhi, sit properly. Where is your book? Show me your book. Yes. Show me your book, Nana. GK book. Okay. Next is what is snake boat is associated with the harvest festival of which state? Snake boat means like this. This is a so here given one picture also. So this is a this game is called snake boat. So that snake boat is which state? Kerala. Avish, very good. Kerala. In Kerala, snake boat is associated with the harvest festival. This is the one of the festival. Snake boat is one of the festival. Who? Which state celebrate this festival? Kerala celebrate the snake boat festival. Okay. Next is which festival is known as the festival of lights? Very good, Harsha. Praneet Reddy. Lights of festival. Which festival? Deepavali. Yes, very good. Deepavali. Second one is Deepavali. So we know very well Deepavali. So the day we decorate our house with lights full of lights and what candles. Yes. So that is the lights of festival of light. Lights. Diwali is the festival of lights. Next, third one. Name the festival on which we play with different colors. Which festival? Yeah, very good. We use different colors. We play with the colors. Kanishka. Which festival we use the different colors? Don't know? Holi. Holi. Third one is Holi. Next, fourth one. Which community of people celebrate Eid festival? Which community of people celebrate Eid festival? So in your class also, who celebrate Eid festival? Eid, Ramjan, and Bakrid. Yeah, very good. Muslims. So fourth one is Muslims. Next, fifth one. Very good. Next, where is Durga Puja celebrated? Yeah, very good, Pranit. So we also celebrate Durga Puja. Means we also celebrate the Dasra. So in West Bengal, they celebrate what they are in the West Bengal people they celebrate state festival. So they celebrated Durga Puja, West Bengal. In West Bengal people celebrate highly. So we also celebrated Dasara. Yes. Next, on which festival do we burn the effigy of Ravana? Yeah, Ravana means in Dasara. Dasara is the Dasara. Dussahra. In this festival, we burn the effigy of Ravana means they keep the one Ravana statue and we use with what? Yes, we kill the Ravana. Yes, we burn the Ravana. And next, the birthday of Guru Nanak is celebrated. Yeah, the birthday of Guru Nanak is celebrated as Guru Purab. Seventh one, Guru Purab. Okay. Next, eighth one. Name the festival which we celebrate on October 2nd. Very good. Shashank, Harshit, means Pranit. So October 2nd we also celebrated in our school also we celebrated. Whose birthday? October 2nd. Yeah, very good. We celebrated Gandhi Jayanti. Okay? Gandhi Jayanti. And last one. Which festival is celebrated on 25th December? Yeah, just now completed. Means last month only. We celebrated that festival. We also have a holiday that day. Yes. Yes. What is that? Christmas. So these are the answers. Yeah, very good. First one is snake bird is associated with the harvest festival of which state? Which state? Kerala. Kerala, they celebrated what? Snake boat festival. Okay. Next is which festival is known as the festival of lights? Festival of lights. Deepavali is a festival of lights because we decorate with our house total full of lights and with the candles also. Next, name the festival on which we play different colors. So we use in Holi festival, we use the different colors. So we play different colors. Next, which community of people celebrate Eid festival? Which community means community, Hindu, Muslim, the types. Okay, Muslims are celebrated the Eid festival, Eid, Ramjan, Bakrid. This type of festivals they celebrated. Okay, next, where is Durga Puja celebrated? Durga Puja celebrated in West Bengal. Next, on which festival do we burn the effigy of Ravana? In Dasara. And the birthday of Guru Nanak, Guru Purab. Next, October 2nd, that is Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrated Gandhi Jayanti. And December 25th, we celebrated Christmas. And January 15th, we what we celebrated? January 13th, 14th and 15th. January 13th, 14th and 15th. These 3 days. Which festival we celebrated? Are we? January means now just 1 week only completed. Which festival we celebrate? January. Unmute yourself. Don't know? Yes or no? No. Okay, Pongal is the, yes, Chitradula Harshita. Yeah, Pongal, we celebrated Pongal festival. Bogi, Pongal and Kanuma. So we celebrated 3 days. Okay, next. See, next lesson also see, Nana. So, in this Christmas, Santa Claus bring up gifts, lots of gifts. And he give to all the children. You know Santa Claus? On Christmas, he use one cap and a dress. Yes, he is a Santa Claus. He gives so many gifts to the children. Okay, children? Next is sing and dance. Sing and dance. So here given the name the popular dance forms of these states. So here given the some dance pictures. Yes. And here given the some dance names also. See children, we have 29 states and we have different types of each state have one type of dance also. So suppose we are Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. These two states have one type of dance, Bharatanatyam. Yes, same like that. Kerala also have one type of dance, Odisha. Okay, Bangladesh, not Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthani people. There are different type of dances is there. Okay, and see first picture. First picture, what she is doing one type of dance. What is that? Bharatanatyam. So it is called Bharatanatyam. What? Right on. Bharatanatyam. Right on, children, all of you. First picture. The dance is Bharatanatyam. So all of you write down Bharatanatyam. And second pick, you observe the second pick. And here also same dance, see Bharatanatyam, and here also she also doing same, but the dance name is different, is there. This is called Kuchipudi. Second one, Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi. This is Bharatanatyam. This is Kuchipudi. Next, third one. Here two people doing the dance. So it is called Odissi. It is called Odissi. Next, fourth one. Here four men are there. Four people are there. So that what he using the drum also. Yes. This dance is called Bhangra. 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 Next, fifth one. Fifth one, here also she using some pots on her head. She uses some pots. So this dance is called Garba. Garba. Next class continue. పవన్ టీచర్ ఉన్నారు ఆపి మన ఇద్దరమే మాకు 2 పీరియడ్స్ 4 తీసుకుంటాను నేను 2 తీసుకుంటాను మీరు 1 తీసుకున్నాను నేను 2 తీసుకుంటాను 130 తీసుకున్నాను స్పెషల్ 130 మ్యాథ్స్ పీరియడ్ కదా I will take 2 periods. Okay, next one, sixth one. Sixth one, this is called Kathakali. Sixth one, the dance is called Kathakali. Kathakali, Kathakali. Next, seventh one. So this is called Bihu. The dance is seventh one. The dance is called Bihu. And eighth one, Manipuri. Eighth. So here Lord Krishna also get up also is there. See, eighth one, Manipuri. First one is Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Odissi, Bhangra, Garba, Kathakali, Bihu, Manipuri. So all of you learn these dances also, dance names. Okay, in your worksheet not only in your textbook and with GK also. So second worksheet I gave some GK questions also. So you learn the GK question and answers also. Okay? Fastly complete it Nana. Shall I wrap? On your videos, Charan Chari, Charan Tej, Varsha, Pranit. Completed Nana, shall I wrap this? Yeah, okay. And yeah, okay. 11th lesson. So in this GK book we have more lessons. So sentences only words only is enough. That's why I am explaining. Next, unfurl the flags. Unfurl the flags. So page number 9. Page number 9. On your videos, Varsha. Yashashvi, Mehmed, Krishna Samira, Aruhi, Praneeth. So here we are taking attendance of all of you on your videos. Okay. Next, study the flags and give the answer to questions. So here given the some flags. So our India also have one flag. Yes, already we learned that. We learned it. We have 3 colors. So saffron, white and green. In the middle of the flag we have one chakra. That is blue color. Very good, Manichen. So that is blue color. So we learn about our flag. So same like that here also given some nationals. What? Australia. So here given the some flags names. Turkey, Nepal. Okay. So here given the some flags. So you observe that flags and give the answer to questions. Okay. So what is that first one? What color is the wheel of Indian flag? What color is the wheel of Indian flag? What color is of our? Yeah, very good. Our Indian flag, one chakra is there, na? So that wheel color. What is that color? Blue. Yeah, very good. Blue. So you write blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Blue. Yes. Next, what is the name of the leaf on the flag of Canada? So here given the Canada flag also. So it is the Canada flag. So what is the leaf? What is the name of the leaf? Maple leaf. This is for second answer. No, people leaf not. No. This is maple leaf. Maple. M-A-P-L-E. Maple leaf. That is maple leaf. So this is the Canada flag. So you observe that first flags. Okay. And next third one. A red flag with moon and a star. Where is that? A red flag with moon and a star belongs to which country? So here given the one moon on the flag only one moon and star is there. So it is a moon and star. So which country? That flag is which country belongs? It is Turkey flag. Third one is Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. This is Turkish flag. The Turkish flag have one moon and star also. Yes, moon and star. Next, fourth one. How many stars are there on the Australian flag? On Australian flag. So it is the blue color. This is the Australian flag. So you count all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. They have 6 stars. There are 6 stars on the Australian flag. Okay. Next, what can you see in the middle of Brazilian flag? Brazilian flag is, this is Brazilian flag, green color. This is the Brazilian flag. So, what can we see in the middle? What can we see in the middle? Huh? Vaishnavi, Akla Vaishnavi. Ball, very good. So, this is a football. Football. Next, sixth one. Which country's flag is double triangle in shape? Sixth one. Which country's flag is double triangle in shape? So, here see double triangle is there here. So this is a triangle and double triangle is there are 2 triangles. So which state? Sorry, which country? Which country's flag is double triangle in shape? This is Nepal. This is Nepal country flag. And here use the like same star, small star, and down total round straight star. Yes, this is the Nepal flag. Next, seventh one. What is in the center of the red flag of Switzerland? Red flag of Switzerland. Sixth one. Sixth pick. This is the Switzerland flag. So, what is this? What can we see? What can we see? Yes, we see the addition symbol. Yes, but it is a white cross. White cross. So white cross means this is the addition symbol. We call the addition symbol, but it is white cross. Okay. Next, last one. What is the figure on the flag of Bhutan? This is a Bhutan. This yellow. Fifth, third one. Yes, third one. This is a Bhutan country flag. So what can we see in the Bhutan flag? In the middle of one is there. What is that? It is a snake. Ramcharan, this is a snake. Yes? No, it is a dragon. Did you see more English movies? Yes. Yes? We can see that English movies only, the dragons. So that is the picture of dragon. Okay? Okay, children, did you understand all of you? So all of you, today's homework is complete GK up to 7th lesson. Complete GK up to 7th lesson and learn the spellings also, Dana. So next worksheet I will give the question answers from the GK book also. So complete you practice the GK book also. Okay? Thank you, Nana. Thank you very much.